Hey guys, JDizzEats, and today's my birthday today, so I'm gonna teach you on how to make kimchi jjigae, and it's a Korean kimchi stew. So what's in here? We got some beef, we got some tofu, tteokbokki rice cake, cabbages, from the kimchi, and we got some fish cake in there. So there's gonna be steps on how to make this. So let's get into this steps on how to make this bad boy birthday edition. You put kimchi in there. And we put some fish cake in there. Oh, I could smell that kimchi jjigae, and I think Mama put some bits of beef in there. That'll be good for our lunch and my birthday. Oh, could smell it. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, taste this bad boy just made.
Bakit bad boy? Ikaw ba yan?
Yeah, just like me. Oh yeah, I think we got some beef. Got from a Korean store in Winnipeg, Korea. I'm gonna taste this first.
Nakakapayat yan.
Oh, yes, have more.
Oh, I can feel that Korean spiciness on my back of my throat right now. Kind of nice and chewy beef, tender. We're gonna taste this rice cake now. So it's kind of spicy and sour at the same time. So I'm gonna taste with rice cake. Make extra carbs, rice cake and rice. And got some tofu in here, right here. Oh, we got noodles in here. So there's gonna be carb load of lunch today. Pretty sticky. And this will make you full, not land. I'm gonna taste a fish cake in here. Kind of tough to cut this out. Oh yeah, that's fish cake there. It's like in big squares and stuff. We got noodles, we need that. Then we're gonna need some cabbage, We need that on our bite. Yeah, this is gonna be a big bite, of course. Look at that. Kind of fishy. So our kimchi jjigae is kind of fishy. But not too fishy. And the cabbage, that's nice and crunchy. Nice crunch. And overall, pretty good. And should recommend make this at home, try it out. Yeah. Alright. Oh, tofu. Gotta mention that, talk about the tofu part here. Tofu's soft, nice and soft. And yeah, look at that. Nice texture. And gotta have the beef with onions here. With the spicy Kimchi Jjigae sauce. And gotta have some milk, chocolate milk, to fight off that spiciness in there. Last bite. My mouth's feeling really numb right now. It's my coconut water. Ah, what a great way to end this for lunch. Oh, pretty filling. The kimchi jjigae was pretty good. Spicy, sour, and just really filling. And the thing I liked is the beef, the fish cake, tofu, and the tteokbokki rice cake. Made it so good. Should recommend making it at home. And stay tuned for dinner, next video on dinner on my birthday vlog. And this is the part of my birthday video, how to make kimchi jjigae. But if you do enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, and subscribe for more videos and content. And guys, see you guys next video.